Good morning, Coach Bobbert here, on my way to work. Beautiful day, beautiful morning, just like you beautiful fine people. I want to talk about being around positive people. Yesterday I had an awesome day. Kind of messed around with my coworkers. My coworkers mess around with me all the time. But even not at work, find people to be around who are just positive and feed you positive vibes. Because realistically speaking, we don't want to be around negative people. You come around negative people, and then that just brings you down. That just ruins your day, your attitude, your mood, everything. So from experience, and obviously I know I'm not the only one, surround yourself with positive people. You know, if not, be that positive change. Be positive towards other people. You never know what somebody's going through. So if you see somebody that maybe looks sad, upset, or just, downright negative, be positive. Show them what positivity is. Be that light in their day. So that being said, this is Coach Bobbert. Be positive, stay beautiful. See you guys on the next video. Goodbye.